Mukuru wa Vision Group Don Wanyama abandize no kurambara bamwe aha bintu ebirukorerwa ha factory y'omwani ya Inspire Africa Coffee Park. Wanyama nagira ngo ebirukorerwa ha factory egi niye hurru Vision Group twireneye bembeza okurabira program zayo ezebyo buhinji n'oburisa.
But over the past couple of years we've realized as a Vision Group and sitting into the wider message of the government and the president is that farmers, especially all the country, Uganda in that case, would earn a lot if we addressed our minds to the subject of value addition. And so you'll notice that a lot of our initiatives in the last couple of years, we have been emphasizing the subject of value addition.
Don Wanyama araganiza ku Vision Group erikuza kwatanisa na factory ya Inspire Africa Coffee okonjera omutindo ahamwani.
We decided to come here and look at the facility, and I must say that from what they are doing, from the vision they espouse, I think this facility needs all our support to be able to succeed, and ultimately I think the Ugandan farmer is going to benefit, the Ugandan government is going to benefit.
Abahinji b'omwani na nebina by'abeteri no kurugo mwihanga ryona batwire berundanira ha factory egi barukushoma ngo kubasa konjera omutindo ahamwani.
And the reason why the president has been asking, can my farmer get a better price? I know very well the 14,000 shillings is not going to the farmers that we are talking about. It's going to someone else.
Wahati ntushangangu abahinja binemyani ombyare omu noshango umuntu omwani yahereze buryo rabyo kimanyisa munawe umuntu obu waryo omwani rabyo tarakabwire buriya kureta omwani ogurukwareta aja kubishana ngo bakubasa abirete so ntwera pataningana na cooperatives and unions kugira ngo base kureta omwani ari Inspire Africa.
Bamwe abahinja betabira mu mushomogo nabagira ngo bateganise bw'empinduka y'ubwire na n'indwara bitarwa amasiko ago kumara hwekizubeki.
Abahinja abahansi tune challenge ya y'umushana so kandi kina n'ubugwiri konka ko kutamu irrigation batunge sente ukatama mizi na production yongera kandi omuyinji uganyirwa
famana wabase kwadingo value exporting ekintu kye ningekintu kye kitasisikara nebindi bingi nka self solar eriku kuyamizi omutaka ekairegatinga itaka nebindi bingi tukumiza muntu innovatinga kuyamba ho muhinji wa burijo.
Factory egi neyo kutandika kushohoza na no kuguza ebintu byone bikurugo omwani aho mu Uganda na namahanga gaheru okutandika no mu kwezi kwa mushanju omwaka ogwe 2025. Ahabwa TV West ndi Elias Aritugusa.